Hey everybody, so today we are going to do a prepper pantry meal. We are going to have ham and potato soup. So I'm going to use the Bear Creek cheddar potato for some cheesy goodness, and we're going to pop open a ham. So I will only be using half of this. I'm going to brown it a little bit first and then remove it from the pan, and then make our soup and then add the ham back to the soup. That's the plan, Stan. My husband's a ham kind of man. So I'm just going to cube this up. Probably make some ham salad out of that. Or chunk it up and put it in my, that's what I'll do, is I'll use it in the husband's breakfast for this week. So I hope you guys are filling your pantries. I usually don't talk about what's going on, but if you don't know, there's a certain country that owns over half of the wheat, rice, and corn in the world. They are stacking food. You know the country where the illness came from? I'm going to wash my hands. So you really need to be taking care of your household. Like, I'm dead serious. I don't know if a lot of you have a partner that get on to you for it, but just do what you gotta do. This is no game. I know a lot of people say, oh, my area is fine. We have everything. Yeah, we had everything. Now we don't. I don't even bother with Walmart anymore. Walmart has no fresh foods, no meats, no milk, eggs. And their prices are higher than other stores at this point, in my area anyway. It's snowing here today. That wasn't expected. I'm going to add my ham and get it a little brown on it. That always adds some extra flavor. I've ordered some extra flour, sugar, the masaka or masaka, tamal, cornmeal, so you can make your cornbread, your breads, tortillas, tamales, all kinds of stuff if you have the ingredients to do it. and everybody's just going to have to start learning how to cook at home. Stock your freezers, but don't stock them with convenience foods. If you're a canner, make sure you have an alternate way to can if you lose power, so you can can up what's in your freezer if you can't keep it running. When my husband asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I told him I didn't need anything. The only thing I wanted was a solar generator, and so that's what I got for Christmas, was an EcoFlow. What are you doing, Rocky? And I have a Jackery that does, you know, small things, but I wanted something that could power the freezer, the refrigerator, washer, dryer, so that is what I got for Christmas. And it literally made it feel like a weight was lifted off my shoulder. You can power your freezer for 4 hours a day, and it will be fine for the rest of the day, and then you can power other things. What are you doing, Rocky? What is it? What is it, Rocky? What is it? Huh? What's the matter, Rocky? My dog is acting abnormal. So please do what you can do for your household. I try to stay neutral with everything, but you know, we lost a family member December 26th at 11:05 in the morning to the sickness. And that's another thing, you guys. That thing, you know, this thing is not working. It's not working. And just because it may seem to be working for some, don't tell people, well, I'm fine. It's not working. And another thing that's happening, and I'll put the article down below to this video, is bet your bottom dollar you're going to start seeing more heart attacks, strokes, and blood clots if you haven't already. I've already been seeing it since the beginning of this thing. It's causing those things. And I hate that, you know, some things are taboo when people have it happening to them or their family members, and nobody's allowed to say anything. It's just not okay. So after we cook this off a bit, I have this on high. I'll add my soup, and then I'm going to chop up some green onion and grate some cheese to put on the top. Usually with potato soup I'll do some bacon, green onion, and cheese, but with the ham we won't need the bacon. I'm going to ration that bacon, I tell ya. And I will just leave those bits in the bottom of the pan. And this actually, other than me talking, is a relatively quick meal. So these packages make a half a gallon of soup. So this will feed, you know, a family of 4 easily for dinner. So we're going to get 8 cups of water. Rocky. Deglaze some of that hamminess there. Excuse me, Rocky. Bits off the bottom. That's just flavor for your soup. And then pretty much all you do is add your soup, whisk it in, bring it to a rolling boil. Should have done that first, but it'll be fine. And then when it comes to a rolling boil, just turn down the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. And then I will add the ham after this comes to a simmer. I don't want to whisk it and break it all up. Might happen anyways, but we'll see. And you can add pepper or any additional seasonings you like to this. You can make some sandwiches to go with it. We'll probably just, I don't know, I have some naan bread, we have crackers, whatever he wants. So I'm going to bring this up to a boil. When it comes up to a boil, we'll come back and add our ham. Okay, so it came to a bubble. I've turned it down. We're going to add our ham and let it simmer for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. You could use any kind of meat you want. And I will see you when we're plating this up to eat. Okay, you guys, it is ready. I think you were crooked this whole time. Looking for the potato. A minute ago when I was scooping this and stirring it around, all I got was potato. I made a mess. I'm going to continue to make a mess. And then, this is getting hot, I'm going to add some cheese, some green onion, and he is going to want pepper. So here's the man boy's bowl, and I will make mine, and we shall taste it. Turn this off. See, now I'm getting all potato and no ham. Funny how that works. Cheese. Green onion. And there we go. So let's see. These were my grandpa's bowls. They're my favorite. So let's get a little bite. With everything. I'm going to blow it. That ham's really hot. So give it a try, guys. Just another way to use your items in the pantry. Make a nice cozy meal on a cold winter's day. And I will put that article down below about strokes, heart attacks, and blood clots. And take care of your family. Do what you can. Do the best with what you have. And we will stay ahead of this in 2022. Be kind to everybody. Let's turn this all around. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.